What's going on, everybody? Solo Yacker here, and I want to give a couple big shout outs to a few people. We've got Randall Weber, Gregory Herfurt. I hope I pronounced that right. I'm going to put it up on the screen so you can see your name. And Joseph, I'm going to say Joseph B because I don't really want his last name. I'm not really sure how to pronounce. It looks like Joseph Beamick? I'm not sure, but I'll put that up on the screen. But I want to say thank you to all of you. You donated into the PayPal. I appreciate what you're doing. I've got a special plans for what they donated. So you'll see that coming up very soon. But I want to give a huge shout out to those gentlemen, and I appreciate it. What? Are you getting loud? Yeah. But anyway, I want to say thanks again. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. Quick little thing about this video is this is an Antifa guy giving gun instruction. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. Solo Yacker. Deuces.
Hey fellow resistors and non-genders, this is Zoltan with Arizona Antifa. Resist. So just today, one of our fellow resistors got a brand new Glock 19 Austria 9x19, which is the gun that I have. So it's pretty cool. We're like twinsies. So anyways, they asked me to do a quick tutorial, and some tips on how to load the gun and stuff. Usually I have Camacho load my clips for me.
To make it short, you are a pussy. You're a pussy.
And then I have him load them. So anyways, you can load it all the way down to the bottom 2 air vents, however many that is. And then, so after you got your clip loaded, you're going to take the gun, and then you're just going to put the clip in the clip holder, like
90% of the time I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.
in the clip holder like this. The bullets have to be facing the front of the barrel so that they can go out the barrel and not come out the back and shoot you.
That's not how it works. That's not how any of this works.
So you just push it in, make sure it's in there nice and tight like that. So now your gun is it's loaded, and then I'm not going to do it because I last time, many of you might remember, I shot a hole in my wall.
You have to push down the hammer before you even pull the trigger. And once you do that, it enables you to...
My poster, I had an accident. So, and then, there's a cool button right here too that stops the barrel so it doesn't go all the way. Is that supposed to be bent? I think I just broke my gun.
But let me tell you something, folks. You can't fix stupid.
I think I just broke my gun. I bent my barrel. So, okay. Yeah, that's weird. It's straight now, but it was just bent. So anyways, you let it go slowly forward, because if it goes really fast, then it's really loud, and then like the Nazis, they're gonna know where you're at. So you want to be like stealthy, like Tom Clancy, Rainbow Six, stuff like that.
Everybody knows you never go full retard. You went full retard, man. Never go full retard.
So and then your gun is ready to go. You're ready to practice. You're ready to train, and do whatever. So that's it. If any of you have any more questions, you want any more tutorials or tips,
We got some dumbass motherfuckers floating around this country.
let us know. We still don't have machine guns yet. I mean, we got the bullets and we got the clips, but we don't have the guns.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
So we can't help you there yet.